Welcome everyone, it's Vaporsmith. It's time for some more Resident Evil Requiem. I still don't entirely know how I'm gonna beat this. This is going to be very difficult. Very, very difficult. I will be lucky to make any progress whatsoever in this. The basement is very dangerous. I will be lucky to survive anything in here. If we get to the human processing grinder, that will be... yeah, that will be nuts if we get that far. Do I know if we'll get there? I don't know. But if we get that far, then we can... Okay. This is very, very difficult. This is the boiler room. I don't know. Hemolytic injector. I don't know how I'm supposed to get out of here. No. If I can make any kind of progress at all with this, that will be amazing. Let's make a safety save, I guess, if possible. I guess here. Oh. So we have that tool from the boiler room. I'm still appalled. The fear factor, man, is just insane. So there's a plug there, there's a plug there. We're gonna have to retrieve the plug. From there, which is going to be hideous. I'm probably gonna die trying to do this. We could try for that bolted vent. The stuff in the holding cells. How much space do we have in our bag? We could store one of the herbs in here. Got a wrench. This is gonna be rough. I'm telling you, man, this is gonna be rough. Okay, just prepare yourselves to see me die. All right, just prepare. This is going to be hard. I know this feels like this feels cowardly, but I'm at this point, man. This is the scariest. This is scarier. This game is scarier than Tekken 8. It's one of the few things. I okay. Oh, I'm not looking forward to this. This is going to be very hard. I guarantee you this is going to be hard. How do I duck again? Oh no. Where the hell are we? I'm just mapping this out. So, let me see. This is just practice. So I think it's one to the right. 60, 40, 80. All right. Left. Right. I don't remember. There was a note somewhere. This isn't good. Okay, we don't have that key. So we have to work around, get one of these plugs from there. Is that it? Looks like it. We're gonna do this later. My nerves can't take much more of this. Like and subscribe. I'll see you later.